Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the innovations shaping our digital world. I'm really excited to explore the fascinating universe of GitHub, a platform that has become the go-to for developers globally. So if you've ever wondered how GitHub boosts collaboration among developers, or what makes it the powerhouse of coding, you're in the right place. Let's start with an interesting stat. Did you know GitHub has over 100 million repositories? That's right. It's a treasure trove of code and a vibrant community. It's collaborated over the years to not only enhance coding practices, but also support the open source community. This just shows how important collaboration is in software development. Now, what exactly does GitHub offer? Well, for starters, it has built several tools under its umbrella that cater to different aspects of software development. You've got GitHub Copilot, which uses AI to help you write better code and find vulnerabilities. So imagine you're coding away, and like a helpful assistant, it suggests improvements. How cool is that? And speaking of cool features, let's not forget about GitHub Actions. This enables you to automate workflows seamlessly. Picture this: it's midnight, and you've just pushed your code. Instead of waiting up to monitor the deployment, you've set an action to handle it for you. Talk about peace of mind. But perhaps what makes GitHub most exciting is its community interactions. Through discussions, developers can collaborate on projects or troubleshoot issues. Just imagine sitting at a virtual roundtable, sharing ideas and solutions from different corners of the world. And here's something encouraging. GitHub also promotes learning through various pathways, including webinars and articles. It's like they're not just building software, they're building a community of learners and innovators. Now let's pause for a moment. For those listening who might be new to GitHub or perhaps contemplating contributing to open source, here's a thought-provoking question. What's holding you back from sharing your knowledge or code with the community? The fear of judgment? Lack of experience? Well, here's an interesting anecdote. I remember a friend of mine who was hesitant to contribute because he thought his code wasn't good enough. But once he took the leap, he received such positive feedback and made valuable connections. It was a game changer for him. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on the key insights we've discussed. We've explored how GitHub is transforming the developer experience, the importance of collaboration, and how its tools like Copilot and Actions are paving the way for smarter coding. Plus, we touched on the power of community in learning and sharing knowledge. Before I sign off, I encourage you all to think about how you can engage with the coding community, whether it's contributing to a project, attending a webinar, or checking out some resources. Your journey into tech might just inspire someone else. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and keep collaborating.